Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is June the 19th, and the chart of the day for today is the Dow 60 minutes time frame here. Alright, so we are looking for further correction in the indices and potentially can reach this area between 41,297 and 41,972 to find potentially support from there, okay, for a three-ways rally or for a new high. Okay, so currently it is within the wave 4. If I look at the zoom out on the daily here, now we got two options basically, right? So based on the current outlook here, we're calling this 3 and 4. Now if you look at the daily, it looks like a 1 2 3 4 5 already, right? Instead of wave 3 here. That's what it looks on the daily time frame, which is possible. We could have ending 5 ways up from the April 7 low, and therefore this is no longer wave 4, but it could be the entire correction of a 5 waves. But if you drop down to 4 hour, for example, right, you see the subdivision a little bit better. Now you can see right here, this rally doesn't look like a 5 waves here. It looks like a 1 2 3 waves. So again, if you look at the daily, it seems to be just one single wave, 1 2 3 4 5. But if you drop down, then it becomes more like a nest. So in other words, you can say this is actually a 1 2 and then another 1 2 3 4 5 ending 3. So that makes more sense, right? That makes more sense to be a wave 3 here instead of you label it 1 2 3 4 5 and finish 5 waves, because the subdivision here looks kind of like a 3 waves, right? Now, so that's why I think for now we are calling the pullback to be a wave 4 with ideally one more push higher to finish a 5 ways up from this low. Then we can get yet another pullback again, which is a bigger pullback to correct this entire rally as a 5 waves, right? Now, what will be the alternates, right? I mean, some of you who are bearish, for example, what will be the alternate for bearish view? Well, the alternate will be A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C, a very long C. It's uncommon because ABC, zigzag, typically the C does not extend that long. It's usually at 100%. In this case, if you look at the extension, this is a very long, I mean, it's much above the 1.618. So again, very rare. It can happen, anything is possible, but it is rare and it is less likely than just simply calling this as an impulse. All right, so you need to go with the whatever is higher probability, not coming up with some sort of fancy, sort of exotic, rare kind of structure, right? So here we got so basically we're looking for a pullback, and the pullback likely can find support from this area here, and ideally again one more push to finish a 5 ways rally from the April 7 low. Alright, so that's the update for today. As always, if you want to get more updates, regular updates, then you can check our service. This is our website, Elliottwave.com. I will provide the link in the description of the video, and you can try our service. We have 14 days trial for new members, only 99 cents, limited time, and then after the trial you can check our plans and pricing on this link over here to see the different plans we have, and also check out our education page here for many different classes in Elliott Wave if you are completely new to Elliott Wave. Alright, so see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.